Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I make my white chocolate ganache. You're going to start by weighing 600 grams of white chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli's white chocolate chips. Then 200 grams of heavy whipping cream. You're going to put that in the microwave for 30 seconds, and after the 30 seconds you're going to mix very well. Now you're going to do another 30 seconds, and again we're going to mix very well in between intervals. Now you can lower the time to 10 seconds until everything is melted together. This is the consistency that you're gonna get. Now we're gonna cover with some saran wrap and make sure that the plastic is touching the ganache so it doesn't crust. We're gonna place that in the fridge for about 20 minutes until it hardens and comes together. Right now it's a little bit yellow, so we're gonna put it in our mixer to fluff it up. I also added some white oil-based food coloring to really brighten it up. Now it's going to have the consistency of buttercream. It's thick and it's super delicious. I will link down below how I decorated my cake with the ganache because it was honestly way easier than I thought. The finish was so beautiful and the cake was way more stable than with buttercream. So this ganache is perfect for those hot summer days. I really hope that you guys give it a try. I'll leave down below the recipe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be answering them. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.